Ever stumbled across a product that sounds almost too futuristic to believe? That's exactly the case with NomadAI Smart Glasses, a gadget marketed as if it can do everything at once. On paper, these glasses promise some jaw-dropping features, like 4K hands-free video recording for vlogging or capturing moments on the go, instant real-time translation in more than 138 languages to break language barriers, open-ear HD audio so you can listen to music or take calls without blocking out the world, built-in blue light protection for eye safety, and even a waterproof design that makes them sound durable for any lifestyle. At first glance, that's an impressive package, and it's easy to see why people would be drawn to it. But when you start looking closer, some serious concerns begin to appear. The product images look like generic stock photos or copied mock-ups, which immediately raises questions about authenticity. The claims themselves also seem a bit too perfect. For example, advertising a 98% customer satisfaction rate without showing where that number comes from, and listing a flawless 4.9-star rating without a single verified review on any trusted platform. Even more suspicious is the missing app information. If these glasses really rely on advanced AI translation and connectivity, where is the official app? Why are there no download links or credible demonstrations of it working in real time? Without that crucial detail, it becomes very hard to trust the technology behind these big promises. So while the concept of NomadAI Smart Glasses sounds exciting and futuristic, the lack of transparency, over-the-top marketing, and absence of real-world proof make it risky to invest in right now. It's not about saying the product is a total scam, but without verified reviews, actual user experiences, or proof that the features work as claimed, it's smarter to stay cautious and hold back before spending your money.